particle starts from the position vector of 3I plus 7j meters, and then it moves with a constant velocity of 2I minus j meters per second. So based on what we've already gone through, for every second of time that elapses, then the position is going to change by 2I minus j meters. Okay? So if we're going to think about our displacement, which we'll call S, our displacement vector is going to equal 2I minus j multiplied by t meters, because our displacement is going to be our velocity multiplied by time. And this works because we have no acceleration at all. If that's our displacement, then our new position vector, which I'll call r, is going to be our initial position, 3I plus 7j, add our displacement, which is 2I minus j times by t meters. So if we want to find our position after 4 seconds, our position is going to be, let's do this as a column vector, 3 plus 2t, because we've got 2I multiplied by t. We've also got negative j multiplied by t. So we're going to have 7 j's, and then we're going to have negative t j's. And after 4 seconds specifically, so when t equals 4, then we're going to have our position being 3 plus 8 and 7 minus 4, which is 11.3 meters. So to put that back into its original format, our position vector after 4 seconds is going to be 11I plus 3j meters. Then we want to find the time at which the particle is due east of the origin. So this was A. And for B, the time when we are due east of the origin, that is when we have no vertical component. So when we are due east, that means that we have a j component of 0. So essentially, when our position vector, which is 3 plus 2t and 7 minus t, when that is equal to a multiple of, when our j component is 0, so a multiple of 1, 0. Or in other words, when our 7 minus t equals 0. So 7 minus t equals 0 when t equals 7. And that is the answer to part B. So the key here is to understand the question, to think about what it's actually asking, and to think it through logically in terms of using its initial position and the displacement being the velocity times by time. And this is in particular when we have no acceleration.